This is the Plasmaglow Halo. It's my next generation LED and PEMF device, pulsed electromagnetic field, designed to treat the face, the neck, and the hairline. It builds upon the original Plasmaglow line, now extending treatment to the scalp and even the crown, where hormonal and post-procedural changes are often most visible. The Plasmaglow Halo has 4 modes. Mode 1 is red light for the entire mask, 630 nanometers. There is no near infrared and no PEMF in this mode 1. Mode 2 is red light, the 630 nanometers for the hair and hairline, plus near infrared 830 nanometers for the face and chin area. Mode 3 is red light for the hair area, red and near infrared light for the face and chin, as well as PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic field, for the face and chin area. Mode 4 is red light for the hair area and blue light at 415 nanometers for the face and chin. All modes run for 10 minutes and then the mask stops. Before your first use, plug the battery pack into the charging cable. You'll notice a blinking indicator light. It will stop once the battery is fully charged. I designed the power clip, which allows you to attach the battery to your waistband or shirt pocket so you can multitask comfortably while you treat. Your time is valuable, and Halo was built with that in mind. Halo uniquely extends over the hairline and crown, stimulating both the skin and scalp with red, light, and PEMF energy. This design was inspired by patients of all ages, from those experiencing hormonal hair thinning during menopause to others recovering from post-viral shedding, nutritional deficiencies, stress, and genetics. By improving circulation and follicle metabolism, Halo helps support thicker, stronger, and more resilient hair. This protects that precious hairline that frames the face and often conceals facelift and hair transplant scars as well. The silicone mask is soft, flexible, and precisely contoured for even light delivery and comfort. Each strap is clearly labeled for easy placement. T3 for the top, R1 for the right side, and L2 for the left. The lower face LEDs target the jowls and submentum area, supporting collagen renewal and tightening where most masks fail to reach. Halo features 4 intelligent modes, combining red, blue, and optional near-infrared light with PEMF. Use it for 10 minutes per day, ideally 5 times per week, to improve skin tone, firmness, and hairline vitality. Whether your goal is to maintain results after a procedure, restore vitality from hormonal and stress-related changes, or simply invest in prevention, Plasmaglow Halo brings professional, clinic-grade therapy into your home. A system designed by a physician, refined through experience, and powered by science.